Okay, I'm back in the woods again. This time I'm going to the lake up here in the mountains. So mountain lake, hoping to do some fishing. Hopefully stay the night, maybe 2, maybe 3, but it's hard to say. I got Quinn here and a big pack of snacks and fishing stuff, sleeping bag. Nice warm coat. Yeah, let's send it. I'm excited. All right, I'm in the forest. These are beautiful trees out here. It's almost like an old growth. Not sure where I'll sleep, but I'll keep walking around and see what I can find. We got a little creek right over here, and that's the lake. All right, guys, check this out. So, walking through the woods, and I find this. I don't know exactly what it is. I think it's some kind of... Oh, it's got to be a sluice for gold panning. They're finding gold. That's crazy. Wow. That's awesome, man. I'm gonna see if I can use it for something for my shelter. There's this big chunk of wood here, which can be a perfect shelter, or just like a cover for my shelter. So I'll probably use that. And a shovel, so hell yeah, I can dig snow, whatever I need. I had no idea this was here. Okay, I think I found my spot for my shelter. It's a nice big overhang on this cliff, and it looks flat down there. So I'll have a fire out here and maybe sleep down there close to the rocks. Let's get working on it. Okay, it's about 4 o'clock, and I've just about finished the shelter. I got Quinn in here sleeping. Yeah, so we got a raised bed in there. That's where I'll sleep, and then fireplace here. Yeah, I'm not sure how safe it'll be. I'll try to keep it small just because there's wood all the way around the fire, but it should work good. And then just really pretty views. I'm getting pretty tired. My arms are sore, my legs are sore. It's a crazy hike in here. But I think I gotta make some food because I'm getting hungry too. I might go over to the lake and just try to see how thick the ice is, cook some food up there. Alright, I'm getting thirsty, so let's melt up some snow. Guess what I brought for a snack? A nice smoked salmon. I just made it at home. Oh, I'm excited. This feels amazing. He's eating salmon. Give him Quinn some too. It's crazy. It has no seasonings. Just smoked for like 6 hours in the smoker, and it tastes amazing. Alright, here's me inside the shelter. It's actually quite warm, and I got the tarp that I found. It seems to be blocking the wind, which is, it's really nice. Like, not having wind in your face is so nice. And this fire's letting off a lot of heat. I got lots of firewood in here. Hopefully last me the night. We'll see. It's getting dark. I'll probably just spend my time in here. Okay, it's dark now, and I still haven't had a good dinner, so I've got honey butter, like a mix of honey and butter, and a bannock mix in here. So I'll just throw some water in here and then put the dough in the fire and cook it up. Man, that is so good. Wow. Me and Quinn, we're all bundled up in the sleeping bag. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, trying some ice fishing now. So I've just got a piece of salmon on my hook here. Not sure if a piece of salmon's gonna work, but we'll see. And then just a reel, no rod or anything. And I'm just fishing with my hands, kinda. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm starting on lunch. I'm gonna make probably rice and some more bannock. Put it right on those coals. Bannock is just about done, and we got rice cooking up. Ooh. Okay, I think it's done. Oh yeah. That's good stuff. Oh, hot. Really hot. Oh, Quinn wants it bad. I think now's a good time to talk about like my experience with this trip. So it's been fun. It's been wild. A lot of work. Like it's a lot of work. It's really crazy to just hike out in the middle of nowhere and be like, okay, I have no idea where I'm gonna sleep, but you just find a place. Like, I don't know how it worked out so well. I was just walking through the woods, and I find a tarp, a shovel, and then just some big boards that I can use for my roof. It's super crazy. Like, I had no idea that any of that was there. And if it wasn't there, it would have been a lot more work just to like cover my roof and block the wind and make it warmer in here. So I'm really grateful for that. It definitely made it easier, but still, I worked so hard. I had to cut every one of these logs by hand, find them out in the woods. I had to cut a whole bunch of firewood and then put them all together. And this whole area I'm sleeping in, I had to shovel all the moss and everything away. And then I made me a raised bed to sleep on, which it wasn't that comfy, but it's not surprising. It's wood. I didn't have a mat or anything, so I'm just sleeping on wood. But it's been fun. I really like the wild feel of it. Like, you don't know what's gonna happen, and nobody else is around. Right now there's just birds chirping, and it's really peaceful. I will say in the night though, you have a couple, well, I had a couple just scary moments just waking up in the night, just dreaming about something, or just like I'm sleeping and all of a sudden I start hearing sounds in the woods in my head, but they're not actually there. And then I wake up like looking all around and then realize I'm totally fine. So there's that. Yeah, I was thinking about staying another night, but just hiking around here today, I found mountain lion tracks, and then I found claw marks on some of the trees. So, I don't know, that just kind of made me not feel too good about it. Quinn was acting a bit funny too. Earlier when I was fishing, she was sniffing and barking a bit and like acting all worried. She like ran away for a bit once and turned around and looked back. So I don't know. It kind of sketches me out a bit, but I've had a really good time out here. I just gotta say, it's such a beautiful day right now. I'm hiking my way back. So down there's the lake, and it's like straight uphill. Just climbing cliffs.